Hi, so you should know who I am if you watch my first video, and you should know about the questions and answers. So in this video, I'm going to be singing Firework by Katy Perry. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards when blown from caving in? Do you ever feel already very deep, 6 feet under streams and no one seems to hear the thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? There's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what and you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make him go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave him in, You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe your reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads into the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it comes, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what it's your worth. Make him go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave him going, oh, oh. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make him go, oh, oh, oh. Gonna leave him in, Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Okay. Hope you guys liked that. So, goodbye.